let's look at an interesting type where it's involving graphs, but we'll see that it's really actually not that different. It says f is a function, it's giving us some derivatives, and we need to know which one is the graph of the second degree Taylor polynomial at x equals 0. So it's actually the Maclaurin polynomial. And I apologize for the scribbles, I was doing it a different way, but there's an easier way. I'm just going to write out the second degree Taylor polynomial. So the first thing I did is I wrote the formula, just the straight up Maclaurin formula here. Then I used the information they gave me, f of 0 equals 1. So I plugged that into my formula. F prime of 0 equals 2, I plugged that in. F prime prime of 0 equals negative 2. I plugged those values into my formula and ended up with this polynomial. And if I simplify that algebraically, then I end up with this quadratic equation, or if you prefer to move it around, it's this quadratic equation. So I just need to figure out, it said which of the following could be the graph of this. So I just need to figure out which one is the graph of this equation. That's just an Algebra 2 problem, or even Algebra 1. So if I look at my two graphs here, I already know it's not one of these. They're not the right shape. So if I look at these top two, if you don't really know what these graphs look like, if all else fails, you can plug in some points. So like if I plug in x equals 1, I'm going to get negative 1 plus 2 plus 1, which is just 2. So I should have the point 1, 2 on my graph, and the only one that works for that is answer choice B.